close that gate. I said close that gate. Run me over. Close the gate. You're not going anywhere.
What is wrong with you? Huh? What is this madness?
Run me over. Run me over. You wanted to break my legs, right?
Sometimes you know, yeah? What's this madness for? What's going on? Do you want me to run you over?
You haven't seen madness yet. I dare you to try it. I dare you to try it. You think I did not hear? I heard Nduke telling you that demon girl was waiting for you. Go meet her. But first, you have to run me over.
What is going on here?
Your Majesty, go man your throne. Go to your throne and sit there. This is my marriage. Let me fix it.
Keep quiet. Why do you have to stop your husband from going out?
Go back to your throne. Leave me to deal with my marriage. Please.
Majesty, your boy that you're talking to like that, right?
Bro, I am behind you. Run her over. What? I said run her over. I am behind you.
Will you shut up?
I am behind you.
Run me over, Charles. Show me you're a man.
Wait,
run me over.
You want Charles to run the wife over? The only daughter of King Ojadike?
Dad, Charles has an important place to go. Run her over. I am behind you.
And I said keep quiet. What is wrong with you? And you, Charles, if your wife does not want you to go out, respect yourself as a man. Go back and rest. Why can't you respect your wife?
Hey, Dad, what are you saying? Charles has important place to go.
Who are you to challenge me?
Charles, come back. Come and run me over. Charles, be a man. Run me over. You're a man, right? Come run me over.
Charles, come and be a man.
No, you're not a man, Charles. Look at the one that is solidly behind someone. The one that is waiting. The one that is solidly behind. Come now, come and run me over.
Charles, come and be a man.
Useless fool.
Run her over. Run her over. Come and be a man.
Look at the supporter. Look at the one that you come and run me over. See how he is. Come run me over yourself. Useless idiots. Nonsense princess. Fools. Look at those ones. Cockroaches everywhere. Are you still there? Animals! Idiot! I asked you to lock the gate, didn't I? Come on, lock the gate! Lock the gate, idiot! Lock the gate! When I tell you to do anything, you do it! Animals, get back inside! Idiot! You can't be a man, not even for once! Want to gossip? Gossipers! And why are you laughing, you? Is that what you were asked to do? You're supposed to protect the king. Let me see you laugh the next time, idiot.
Don't forget to swear. She's not supposed to. Yes, I think she's fine. Charles is married? Who told you that? Yes, I know his wife or his girlfriend. So where are you going? She said he has a customer.
This is all my poor mother and I can afford. What have you come here to do?
I heard you are Charles's wife.
Yes. And your daughter is that bug that wouldn't let him be. I've come to give you a word to her.
My daughter and Charles are just friends and nothing more.
Tell your daughter to fish where small fishes like her kind are found. This will be the last time I will say this.
She doesn't look to me like Charles's wife.
What does she look like then?
A desperate and troublesome woman who is trying to force herself on him.
She's cocky and prideful.
Exactly. You have to stay away from her, man. I don't trust her. Let's go.
No matter what, the will of God must be done. No matter what, if a chukukume yemenoi, man no propose, God will dispose. So who can change the minds of the gods? For the gods are wise. The gods are wise. The gods are wise. They are wise. The gods are wise. The wisdom is far higher than the wisdom of man. If you do, I show you no say. The gods are wise. I be you not know. I be you not know. That the gods are wise.
What are you doing in my kitchen? With those smelly sores and scars? Cooking?
My princess, the palace guards and Prince Obi were hungry.
Henceforth, you're not allowed into the kitchen till those smelling sores of yours are totally healed. Now, get out. Leave. Get out! Oh, this is horrible. That is definitely going into the trash. And I think someone needs to come use some air freshener. Yeah, and a disinfectant at that, yes. I need to sterilize this whole place. I can't deal with all of this. That trash, definitely.
Your wife is rude and arrogant.
I see Pamela paid your visit, and she must be very hard on you. I apologize for
It's fine. My mother and I have gone past it.
Oh, that must make your mother feel so bad.
Actually made her feel worse.
Oh. I'm sorry about that. I never told you about her.
It's alright. Maybe if you had told me, we wouldn't have been friends.
Do you hate me now?
I don't hate anyone. But I have to obey my mother's wish.
About what?
By staying away from you.
Binyelum, you make me happy. Happier than anyone on this planet Earth.
I have to go now.
So, you're not going to do anything about that Buka girl that wants to steal your husband from you?
Lizzie, I am royalty. I am Princess Pamela. I don't mix with low lives. As for Charles, I'm still fashioning how best to deal with him.
If I were you, I'll act faster than fast. If what you told me is true, that girl I saw today is way prettier than both of us combined. A man that has eye on pretty girls will do everything to keep her.
I think your eyesight is beginning to dim a bit because trust me, she's nothing compared to me. She doesn't hold a torchlight to me, so just forget it, okay? I know what I'm doing.
If you say so, but shine your eyes.
Always.
It's only a more powerful bulldog or its owner that makes a fierce bulldog tame and stick its tail in between its legs.
But in this case, we both know it's not its owner.
Then, it's certainly another bulldog.
Or even a more powerful bulldog.
Whatever made her that way must be something huge.
Please, girls, I'm going back to work before she shows up from nowhere. You know how she is.
Me too. Should I even go this back? Let me follow you.
You are Nze, son of the great orator Kalu. May his soul live on.
Yes, you are right. My name is Nze, but I don't know you.
I am Princess Pamela, highly esteemed and most cherished daughter of King Ojadike.
Oh, greetings, my princess.
You may rise.
But, my princess, what are you doing in my vicinity?
Good question. My husband, Prince Charles Obimwa, is sharing some fantasy with your girlfriend, immoral one.
Sorry to ask, my princess. Are you trying to tell me that Prince Charles is seeing Binyelum, my girlfriend? I don't know this.
I know. And that's why I'm telling you. And I'm sure with this conversation, you understand why I stopped you.
Please, my princess, I'm sorry. I accept my apologies. I give you my word. I will make her desist. I'm sorry.
You better do.
Ooh.
Have a good day, young man.
Thank you. So, Binyelum has been seeing Prince Charles. Hey. Just because I'm not a prince, right? It's all right. We shall see.
No. No, Father. I'm just tired. I'm tired of being the commodity of alliance between you and King Obimwa. This is not working at all. What do you mean? What do you mean by my marriage is in my hands? What do you want me to do? Didn't you hear what I just said? I have done everything I can. Stop telling me to make it count. I knew it. I knew you were going to take their side after all. You know what? Father, that's enough. That's enough. Since you want to be this way, we'll just talk later.
Your friendship with Charles is beginning to affect his marriage. You must stop it.
Charles and I are just...
It doesn't matter. You have to stop it, please.
Auditor.
Your Majesty.
What brought about this humongous and reckless spending?
Your Majesty, that is the statement of accounts and total expenditure the company has incurred for the past 6 months. But Your Majesty, it's alarming the amount of money that has been leaving the company's account for the past 2-3 months.
Which department is responsible for this? And who exactly is in charge?
Your Majesty, Princess Pamela. She has been withdrawing without due consent and permission from the company's accountants.
But why should she have access to the company's account in the first place?
Well, Your Majesty, by the virtue of the sensitive position you gave to her in the company. Your Majesty, I think something has to be done fast and fast.
My dear Princess Pamela, the company's auditor informed me of the humongous and reckless spending over the last 3 months. What do you have to say about that?
Your Majesty, with all due respect, I will not sit here and have this conversation with you.
Pamela, you will sit down and answer that question. Pamela, you will sit down and answer that question.
Pamela, please. She also informed me that if we are not careful, we face imminent bankruptcy.
What?
In the nearest future.
Dad, the company cannot afford to nosedive now. Pamela, why would you want to run down the company
Dad, you need to relieve her of her duty now.
You know what? I think I've had enough of this.
Pamela! Pamela!
Dad, you're not saying anything.
Ndukwe. Ndukwe.
My prince. Ndukwe. My prince. I've been wondering where I kept my car keys. I've searched everywhere, but still can't find it. Did you see it?
No, my prince. I didn't see it.
I seized it.
Pamela, you seized my car key?
What's going on here? Huh?
Your Queen Elizabeth said she confiscated my car key.
Why that? For what?
The bank said we might be experiencing bankruptcy, and everyone blames me for it. Simply put, I have to regulate the rate of spending, both here in the palace and at the office. Henceforth, everyone in the palace will drive only one car in order to conserve fuel. And I must be informed upfront. And at the office?
No, excuse me.
Yes. You know how much I hate to be interrupted. But it's okay. Humor me. Tell me.
What is the meaning of this bullshit?
Zubi, hold on. You see, your reckless spending towards the company money does not warrant you to halt people's movement and confiscating their car keys. Look at you, going around spending, buying all sorts of designers. What do you expect? Hey, return that key.
I will not return the keys. I will not.
I say return that key now.
I said I will not. Then come force me to give it.
She seized my car key. She seized my car key. Hey.
I am indeed totally disappointed in all of you. I mean, how could you? Huh? How could you turn my palace into a fighting square? For this indecent act of yours, I am going to punish all of you.
Father, if anyone should be punished here, that should be Pamela.
Why? Why only Pamela? You all constituted nuisance in this palace and you want me to punish Pamela only? Why?
But you idolized and spoiled her. Father, she is the architect of everything that is happening here.
Anyway, Pamela, I am totally disappointed in you.
Why? Because your son said so?
Hmm?
Why must I be the only one to be at the fore of the hook all the time? Your Majesty, I was only teaching everyone how to be prudent in their spending.
Really? No, Pamela. You're telling me confiscating Prince Zubi's car key is an act of prudence? Is that what you're saying?
Your Majesty, I can see you're siding with your sons against me. Why? You're not fighting me because of them. You know what? My father must definitely hear about this. I won't take this. This is injustice. It doesn't make any sense to me. Father.
Go and tell God.
Prince Charles, why are you not saying anything? I mean, your reaction is unusual. You caused it. Father. Ayo. This girl is a case.
Yes, coming.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit.
Thank you, sir. Please, sir. Sir, there has been an ugly development at the company.
What ugly development are you talking about?
The workers stopped work for the past 3 days.
Why? The company policy states that they can only do that if their salary is not being paid for 2 months. And from the things Pamela told me...
She claimed the truth from you, sir.
What do you mean by that?
No salary has been paid for the last 4 months, sir.
What? For what now? Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, sir.